Hello everyone, today I will tell you free and paid keyword research techniques to rank your website number 1 in any keyword you want. So first of all we will discuss about free research technique, then we will talk about paid research technique. So this is the search console data of one of my website. I have owned more than 20 websites and you can see the data of one website. I will show you another website, okay? So this is my second website. And this is my third website. So this is my third website. Why I have shown you 3 websites? This is because I want to tell you that I am a blogger and I have ranked various websites of mine in Google and getting good traffic from Google. So I will tell you how to do keyword research in both ways. So first of all I will talk about free method. So let's take an example of camping. So today we are working on camping macroniche. So just we assume that we don't know anything about camping. So I will just type camping here and I will show you how you can find keywords. So I have just typed camping keyword in Google and you can see various keywords has been listed down by Google. You can see that it is equipment, chairs, tent, coat. So you get the idea. Now if you want to work on this camping equipment, then you have to search this term camping equipment and then you will find various results here. You can see that. Now we have to find long tail keyword, but camping equipment is not that easy to rank in starting. So we have just started finding the keyword. So we will see camping equipment list. With this you can find sleeping bag, sleeping pad, and these are all keywords you can find in the camping equipment list. So I will just work on sleeping bag, okay? So I will do one thing, that I will type best sleeping bags for camping. So this is the keyword I have got. So why I'm telling you this? With this method you can find great keywords, great long tail keywords which you can work on starting and rank your website to get traffic from Google. So this is the thing. So we have just find a keyword here and we have just typed in Google and searched for a keyword. So you can find various keywords here also. If you just click on this, we will go to first website and let's see how they are working and we will find their keyword. So this is the thing. We can search his whole article, like how he is writing, and we will see what pattern he is following, and we have to just write better article. For other articles you can see his latest post. So he is showing here latest post. So we will click on it and we can see what he is working on actually. So this is by seeing latest post and all you can see what type of things he is writing. And if you see more articles, then you can find whole blog of him here. So by this you can find whole articles of him here. So if 17 pages are there, it means he has written 170 posts like that, because 10 posts it is showing or 12 posts it is showing. So maybe he has written more than 400 articles. So by this you can find various keywords. For paid method I will use SEMrush. SEMrush is a paid tool. If you want to use it free for 14 days as a trial, there is a link given in the description of the video. By using that link, you can try this paid tool for 14 days as a trial. Okay, so now I will show you how you can do paid keyword research. So if you type camping here, then you can see various keywords here and questions. So we will just see what are the main keywords associated with it. So I will click on this. I will get this page here. So in this page you can see various keywords here like camping world, campgrounds near me, camping near me, and other keywords. You can see that. So basically these are the major keywords searched by people on Google. Now to find easy keywords that are easy to rank, KD filter, and you can type here 0 and apply. By that you can find various keywords that are easy to rank and has 0 KD according to the SEMrush. So let's find out what keywords it is showing. So you can see that various keywords has been listed here, and the third keyword, which is wooden camping signs, you can see it has 720 volume and 0 KD. Now we will search it in Google. So if we search it in Google, then you can find various websites ranking, and you can see, just scroll here and you can see images are ranking. So you can work on images to rank on this term. So if you see this website ranking on the second number, so we will see what they are doing and we will find their authority. To find their authority, we can use DAPA checker, and I have already seen that it has DA of 13 and PA of 32. By analyzing their website, you can find more keywords here, like they have already listed in their categories section, and then you can see that why they are ranking. So because they have listed their wooden camp images or wooden camping images on the home page, so they are ranking. So we will find what other keywords they are ranking on. We will come to this domain review section, then you can just search this website here and you can find here various important metrics for a blogger. See that their authority is just 11 and they are getting good traffic every month. So if they are based on affiliate, then they are making good money. So we will find their keywords. To find their keywords, you can just click here, view details. So they are ranking in USA and working on this camping signs thing. So they have just created a whole website out of just one keyword, which is camping sign. So this is the power of a paid tool. By paid tool, you can find keywords on which you can make an entire website. He's ranking for camping signs, wooden camping signs, and camping sign and various other terms. So basically he is working on sign thing and he is getting good traffic. So he is getting traffic from US, UK and Canada. So this is the thing. You can analyze his website yourself also. So this is the good amount of traffic for a beginner. So he has less authority but still good traffic as a beginner. So you can research like this on a paid tool like SEMrush. So this is why I love SEMrush and I do my keyword research for my blogs using this tool. So you can also do that. I have already told you that you can try it for 14 days for free by using the link given in description. So let's move forward. By this, you can find more keywords here. So these are all easy to rank keywords I have already shown. Very less authority websites are ranking on these terms. So this is how I do my keyword research. Hope you have enjoyed the video and got what you wanted. If you love my content, click on like button and subscribe my channel for more future videos like this. So this is it from my side. Thank you for watching the video till the end.